Hello everyone, I am Danilo Romolini and welcome to the rolling hills surrounding Montepulciano, one of the most iconic Tuscan destinations. Today we are visiting an elegant villa dating back to the 1920s, fully renovated with a stunning swimming pool, immersed in the countryside with views of vineyards, olive groves, but just minutes to the historical town and all of its services. Are you ready to see it? Come with me. The villa immediately stands out for its symmetrical and proportionate architecture, a timeless design which reflects the architecture of the early 1900s in Italy. Carefully restored over the years, it preserves its original charm while offering the comfort of a modern home. The outdoor spaces are designed to embrace the Tuscan lifestyle. We have an ancient cypress tree driveway, a manicured garden with terraces, pergolas, and lots of beautiful outdoor spaces to enjoy this landscape. Comfortably positioned right by the villa, we find the impressive 14-meter-long swimming pool, covered by cement on 4 sides and matching well with the architecture of the property. The swimming pool is 2 meters deep on the deepest side, and it's positioned to enjoy this landscape and enjoy the warmer summer months. Behind its historic appearance, the villa offers modern efficiency, with photovoltaic panels and battery storage, heat pump for heating and cooling, centralized air conditioning, and both a private well with municipal water connection as well. One of the villa's greatest strengths is its flexible layout. It is divided into 2 large apartments, making it ideal both for residential use, but as well for hospitality or simply for hosting friends and family. The ground floor is bright and spacious, featuring original tiles which were all restored, as well as the original cypress wood windows that were upgraded with double glazing. Here we find a comfortable sitting and dining area with, in the end, a fully equipped kitchen taking up the whole width of the room. The kitchen is right by this window or door to go outside with the outdoor table and enjoy a pleasurable lunch overlooking the pool and the landscape. On the opposite side, we find 2 generous bedrooms, each one positioned in a corner of the house, so with 2 windows granting lots of natural light. Each of the bedrooms has its dedicated ensuite bathroom. On the lower floor, we find the original cellar of the house, with beautiful vaulted ceilings, currently used as a storage and divided from this floor. However, if one likes, it could be connected internally again, and it could be easily turned into perhaps a gym if one likes a spa. Otherwise, simply storage, which is always useful in a home. On the first floor, we find a similar layout to downstairs. The main difference is that instead of the entrance, we find this cozy office space that also enjoys a beautiful balcony overlooking the countryside. This floor can either be considered as a large independent apartment, ideal for guests, friends and family, otherwise also as an extension of the primary bedroom with a large sitting area, office, dining and kitchen. Opposite to the living area, we find 2 bedrooms. This is the larger one and positioned overlooking the countryside. At the center, there is a large bathroom and the second bedroom on the other side. This could also be considered a primary bedroom wing because you have bedroom, bathroom, and the other space could be used as a walk-in closet. The renovated attic offers 2 additional bedrooms and a bathroom with a large bathtub, providing comfortable accommodation for children, guests, or family. Combining an historic property with modern features, this villa is an excellent opportunity just minutes from Montepulciano. It is ideal for someone that would like a Tuscan escape while having a property that offers everything while still being quite contained in size and easy to manage. Please remember to subscribe to our channel if you would like to see the best properties of Italy every week, and get in touch with us if you have any questions or would like to schedule a viewing. Thank you and see you soon. Ciao!